Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of PyCharm, that is 2025.3 on a Windows operating system. So first you have to go to favorite browser and to type over here PyCharm download. That's going to show you the JetBrains.com. Just simply go to their official site of PyCharm. This link I am going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you will see that our PyCharm is available for Windows, macOS and Linux. So I'm going to download it for Windows, so that's why I'm going to switch to Windows tab and I'm going to click on this download button of PyCharm. So thank you for your download, and our PyCharm is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it. So I'll go to my download directory and here is our PyCharm already downloaded. Just simply double click on that installer and minimize your download directory. It going to ask if I administer the privileges. Click on yes. So welcome to PyCharm setup. Just simply click on next. This is where our PyCharm is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. Here you need to select all these 4 options and click on next. So you're going to create a JetBrains folder. Totally fine. Click on install. That's going to immediately start installing our latest version of PyCharm. So by the time our PyCharm get installed, since we are talking about Python, I'll highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos that you can see over here, I have built on PyCharm itself. So projects like creating a QR code using Python, or detecting human face using Python, or making a text convert into realistic speech. So all that, and the best part is detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So you can also check those out. Here let's wait for a few minutes. So welcome back. Now you can clearly see that our PyCharm is now rightly installed. So you can just simply click on finish, and here is our desktop shortcut for PyCharm. So just simply double click on that icon to launch our PyCharm. Here is our PyCharm 2025.3. Here first it will show you these import settings. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to install IntelliJ IDEA or Visual Studio Code or Cursor. So that's why it is showing all of that. But if you are using for the first time, then I recommend you to click on this skip import and start afresh. And here is our PyCharm. So it's going to load some of the plugins and also going to activate our subscriptions. So let's wait for some time to get it loaded fully, and it has rightly opened. You can maximize this. So you can see we are already using their pro features, and it is a trial edition. So about 29 days left. So for next 29 days you can use their pro features for completely free. And after that, if you want to switch to their community edition, so that also you can do, or if you want to purchase their pro features, so that also you can. I'll show you if you want to deactivate these pro features. So for that you can go to the search and just simply type manage. So that will show you this manage subscriptions. So you can go there and you can always deactivate your subscriptions if you don't want. But I'll recommend you to use their pro features for about a month and then you decide. Right, so if you go to their home page, so you can see all users are automatically start with a free 1-month trial, and after that you can subscribe to their pro or keep using the core features for completely free, including Jupyter Notebook support as well. So that's the best part. Right, here let's create a new Python file. So just select this project, right click and hover over new and click on Python file, and let's give the file name as main.py. So just double click on Python file. That's going to open a Python file over here. So you can write your Python code snippet over here. So I'm going to print something on our console. So print hello world, and you can click on this existing virtual environment. Totally fine. So that's going to load our Python interpreter, and just simply click on this run button. So that's going to immediately start building our project and going to show you output over here on your console. So hello world. So whatever you have written, so that output will be showing to your console. So that's how you install latest version of PyCharm, and you can start working on your Python projects right on PyCharm. As I told you, please refer to the school Python projects. So all these projects I have created on PyCharm itself only, and I immensely got benefited using their features. So do watch all these different videos, and detailed source code are also available, so you can also check those out. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.